end of this learning objective, I want you to be able to develop strategies that will meet the needs of your student. I want you to integrate visual aids and manipulatives in your lessons. And I want you to be able to use the symmetry program to actually find things, do things. In this case, find a fraction of a standard number. Find and use abstracts. Student sees when you give him a problem, abstract problem. It's all mixed up. There's nowhere to turn. And all he can look at you with eyes that says, help. Oh, and I can't get out. Do we recognize those signals that our students give us? It is my objective, it is my hope that using this symmetry, using a program that teaches us how to work with abstract concepts will help our students. Will listen to their cry for fractions. Early on in my teaching career, this is one topic that I taught over and over and over again. I taught the beginning of the semester, the middle, and the end of the semester. So let's look what it is about fractions. Students understand that a fraction is a part of a number. They know that. But what they don't know are the rules. And the rules varies for every single operation and fraction. You have rules for adding, rules for multiplying, rules for dividing, rules for converting, rules for everything. There are more rules in fractions than there are in the code. Relatives can be in any form. It's important for us to choose them wisely. We want to have the students use them and not have them as a distraction. One of the things that I've noticed whenever using manipulatives is that you have to supervise your kids because they will throw it around and they will do all sorts of things with it. But once you guide them, you have no issues. See how we can use manipulative in this problem. Question says, what is 1/3 of 27? So we're going to get blocks. We're going to select blocks. For total and part. Total in terms of how many blocks? 1/3 of 27. We know 27 is total. How much of 27? 1/3. Denominator? 3. So therefore, our kids will be able to group 27 into 3 areas. Let's do this together. This is fun. And that's what we saw. We saw them going down one by one, by one by one. Then we saw them going into two groups. And then we can see that there are 9 in a group. So therefore we know that 1/3 of 27 is 9. Now as a teacher you can move on for those students who move faster than the others. And right away we can say, okay, so if 1/3 is 9, how many are left? And how many would that represent, would it be two-thirds or what, however it is. But you ask questions and then you three-thirds, that would be your complete whole. So then therefore when you get a problem like this, you're not only looking for one aspect of the problem, one-third, but you're moving beyond that. You can do them over and over. One of the things I like to add, however, at this point is that I always like to show what I'm doing. Sometimes you have supervisors coming in the room and they see the kids and they ask, what are they doing? Why are they playing with manipulatives? And here is one way that I deal with that. I develop a form which identifies the key idea, what manipulative would be used, and what strategy would be used. And so that if next week or next month I want to use, or if I'm not there, then somebody coming behind me will be able to follow suit, will be able to do the same thing with assessment. Think of yourself as a student and you have this question, what is 1/4 of 12? You have been explained to what would be the first thing you are going to do. Now, it shows us we're going to select the blocks and then we are going to group them. So let's do that together. I met a class full of kids who the first thing when they saw me, they said, I hate math. And I said, that's okay. I have strategy to show you that will make you like math. I used the symmetry program. I didn't use it with fractions. I used it in another abstract topic. And now I have the same kids who said I hate math walking around teaching each other. And when I look at it, I feel good. My concern is that I wish that other teachers would really develop strategies that will meet the needs of their children. It was nice being with you, talking to you in this learning object. Good luck. As always, we're there for the children.